Hello, my people. I greet the followers from Untouchable Mama. Hope so now they fine. Now do what when I tell they help me to the share, comment, like. God go bless you now. Well. I really appreciate you now. Get there, bear. Without you now, who be me? Sorry if my voice be like this because cold day, cold day. My nose don't like block small like that. And I know say now changing of weather. My people, hey, wonder shall never end. Then say, wetin you never see, you never waka reach there. This video one they watch, so I go play am for una. Una go watch am, je. Una suffering watch am. Whether una see something, I believe say most of una don't watch am. Una not even notice anything. Una see this woman where I just do marriage, so this woman where just newly do marriage, so. Una see the other woman where e be say, hey, as he greet the woman finish, he can't use the hand like do like this for under now understand as he wear the night as he wear the this thing, the wedding gown, you know, the wedding gown for under, I can't like use the hand to do like under now understand now wear use hand to do like this. What you use on me? Hey, my people, that is why people they be very careful when they do marriage, because many people they get bad attention to come there. Not be because of say they are happy with you. Not be because of say you're not your day, you say you they happy, and I made them see they happy with you. No, they go there because of the evil mind when they get. Maybe your papa or your mama fair doing something where be say, hey, some people be like that, you know, they forget to go say the day where be say pikin want do something, want go do something for there you go, hey. Not only God they say person for people where be say that they do marriage, all these things, you understand. Now God now they say person. I go put the video, I go still stop and small, more and notice where they talk about. Because most people go watch the video, they're not going to understand what they talk about. So this video, I go still put another another video, an attire video now get put for here. So there be that nice, very short video like that. This the other one, the marriage. Now marriage day or night day, the marriage was destroyed because of Maggi. I don't understand more than not first. I been when I listen to the person with the video and say, now because of Maggi, now this marriage where be said then they do so, it destroy. Because of Maggi, una go hear when the man they talk and say, in just surprise, say then they share Maggi. So this canopy, it be like say Maggi not reach their hand. People where they invite come. So they just get as they do, they call the verse. So the lady where be say they do the marriage, it just begin the shouts, everything. Everybody come they run, they come on, now they come out too. More no vessel. The thing surprised me say now because of Maggi, now this marriage destroy. I be get another thing. You know, say some people do the marriage, you know want do again, you don't know us. He go take put and say I know they do again. This marriage is end. Some people be like that. You don't know the way we go to talk and go say as far as say they don't prepare everything. People don't come, they don't fix the dates. Make Kukuma just make Kukuma go there. Now small something I go verse me out and destroy her. It dey my people. It dey my people. Now only God now the same person. Now only God now the same person. Then the other video where I go still put one and go watch. When I see this video, I was like, oh my God, on a marriage. This video is about on something of marriage. This lady where he wear the gun. He where he wear the gun. To enter inside car, my sister, my brothers and sisters, they push the woman. Where the gun tight like say tomorrow not day. Me, I don't even know the way it put on for body. Because you know, feel sit down for inside car. You know, feel do anything. Now so then they use hands, they push on. It tight the body. You know, even they feel they breathe reach ground, they get say. Now so they can't take holy leg. Say they carry and one put on for put the leg for inside car. Me, I never understand the kind of wedding gang will be that one. You know, if you sit down for inside car, you be like that. What of if you can't come down for inside the car, or maybe one and one verse because I they laugh because the thing they make me they laugh. What of if they say something can't happen, something can't happen, you not can feel breathe again because wearing that kind of wedding gown, I never see this kind of thing before. You just tight all your body, you not feel breathe again. Now we then see some people go say, I not feel breathe, I not feel breathe, I not feel breathe. You go just buy, how you wear wedding gown the day of your marriage? You want go marry? The wedding gown where you wear, he tight you, you not feel even bed down, say you want enter car. Ha, now wow. Some people me I don't understand though the way where some people tell they do. You just tell the where they swan, the person where swan, you just tell them me just swan me tight time. I don't understand though. And this our body sometimes they need to free. They need to free. Even though saying at the day of your marriage, you need to even they shake body, dance a little bit, make people still see say you they move. Okay, like that one now where be say he tight body, not feel move, not feel even do anything. Even they shout now like this, it entire cycle. They call the help and they carry leg, they put for inside. Where you they go for that one? You not go dance for your wedding day. The day where be say now your marriage, you go there okay, you go there, you go dance, you go flex. Don't be like that one where be say like this, it be like person where be say they tie from one place, you know. When they'll tie you from one place, you can't they do like robot, can't they turn like this. The thing was like my people more than obvious. Now as I tell see this video, I say no, I go bring the 3 video come, put them together, make I show una whether this kind of marriage una don't understand that. The other one because of Maggi, it destroyed the marriage. Everybody run come out. The other one, because of say the very day way they do the marriage, people come they, you know, say after we do they don't say, yes, I do finish. People come they congratulate you. Congratulate today na your wedding day. Like that one say do congratulations. You use and say do under like this, like maybe I don't know my people. If you be say no mean anything, if you still be say me something, you know say when something like this they happen, you go they suspect everybody. Now so it be because that kind of thing. Now make some people if they be say they don't marry the very day when they marry after some months, some weeks, a month, some year, they come they look for picking no agree. Now make some people they know they like to do marriage before they'll say they either they get belly or they don't fair bone. Some people depends of where you the way where you tell like because when you don't know who like you, who not like you, who be bad person, who love you, you know all those things you not go know. You not go know. Like you not go know. You not go know. Now when marriage, when be say you dey on that marriage, they do the marriage, you can't see different things. And a camera, thanks to camera, where they pick all these things come and we can't see many things. My people, I will put the video, mona watch and mona see the one waiting they talk about. So if you watch and finish, mona no forget. Help me to share the video. Like, okay? Like, una do well, so una tell they help me. And they really appreciate una they try well for my body for it. If you never follow me for Facebook, follow me on Untouchable Mama page, on Untouchable Backup page. Now me still get them. On YouTube, Unto Mama. Just follow. Everything with the bring and come with they talk about everything. And if you get anything where you be say you want to talk about, you are free to contact me. My phone number there for my page, for my Facebook. Just check and you'll get me for WhatsApp. So quick get me now for WhatsApp, okay? Even though say I know they like, just leave your message. I will come back. I will reply to you. Bye. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate you now. Bye bye.
Congratulations. Yes, very proud of that.
Okay. There's fire on the mountain here. Yeah. I came to cover a wedding here in Eza, yes. We've not had the first outfit is not, the girl never come out the first time. And she's coming out 3 times. But me, everywhere just scatter here. Now, do you know what's happening? Are you seeing it? Both Ashoebi, everybody are scattered. Groom don't take off. Okay, let me explain what's happening here. This particular group that are here say they didn't give them Maggi, and that the family have eaten their Maggi. They are going home. they groom themselves. I don't even know what to explain. Okay, what they are fighting for is that Maggi is not in the bride price, and that they are not going to accept that. And 2 crates of malt. Now we are tasting that soon.
You say they want Chinese wedding.
Behind the scenes. 1, 2, 3.
Ah, so right.
Ready? Oh,
Good. Maybe you'll be fine.
it's okay. Her legs in. Hey, how flowing?
See the wise water.